Hello my friends, I hope everybody's doing well in this pandemic. I hope you're all safe. Today I will be preparing some quick sweet and savory pancakes. In this bowl I have 2 cups of quinoa. What I did is take 2 cups of whole quinoa and put it in my blender, blend it until it looked like flour. And then I poured it in here and I put 1 tablespoon of baking powder. And I put a teaspoon of salt, maybe a little less, but basically let's say a teaspoon of salt. That's to kind of enhance the sweet flavor what we're going to put. Now in here you can do many ways to make it sweet and savory. Once you put your water to blend it, you can just add any kind of fruit, bananas, it could be chocolate chips, it could be anything. So I will be using chocolate chips because I ran out of bananas because I have a whole bunch of monkeys in my home that finish the bananas so quickly. It does not even last, not even 2 days. Okay, so those are the 3 ingredients that is in this bowl. And now I'm just going to add water, which I just rinsed the blender that I made this flour, the quinoa. So I just rinsed it, so that's why the water is not that clear. Okay, so I will be doing this outside because I want to enjoy every minute of this weather, because in Ontario it's been cold lately and today it's really sunny and beautiful. So I'm doing it on my grill, so excuse the dirtiness that you will see on that grill, but I want to do it there. If I had a rocket grill made out of bricks, I would do it there too, because I love cooking with wood, because wood is the best. It makes it give tremendous flavor to any food that you cook. Alright, so let's begin. Okay, so I seem to have lost my little wooden spoons. This is so long. That will do. So we will just mix this dry ingredients, give it a quick mix. Now we can add our water. I believe this will be like 2 cups of water. What I do is I just mix it until it's like a batter, pancake batter consistency. I don't want it too thin and I don't want it way too thick either. And these are foods that enhance your immune system, like chickpeas, quinoa, lentils, beans, and of course spicy chili is also good because it's high in vitamin C. Okay, so that's enough of water. And now I'm going to go outside with this and you will see what I do next. Okay, so here is my pan and it's heating up and it's windy. So it's kind of playing with the fire a bit, the wind. Alright, so my pan is hot. I'm just gonna remove it from the stove and just add in just 2 pancakes at a time. And put it back on the stove. And here I have some chocolate chips. So I just put some chocolate chips on my quinoa pancakes. You can put blueberries instead. You can put bananas, like I said, apples, apricots, whichever favorite fruit that you like. These are just ideas that I share with you. And yes, so simple as that. Another simple meal and very healthy as well. You can get sugar-free chocolate chips and add them. You can put nuts if you're not allergic to nuts. Okay, so once they're golden brown, we will turn them around. These are looking lovely. Well, I put another set in there already, and I guess the first ones came out a little kind of flatter and the second ones came out more better. So if you rest the dough for 15 minutes, your batter will come out much more better. The more you rest the batter, the more better your pancakes or wraps or tortillas will come out. Well, my friends, here is the results. Even though this barbecue, or however grill you want to call it, I mean, it really needs a woman's touch. You know, after this pandemic we've been through, we seem to appreciate more the things that we have and start to take more care of them and realize how many things we have neglected, including our own family. Yes, I'm going to have to help my husband clean all this crap. You see how nasty it is? Oh my lord, thank God I used my old pan. Anyways, my friends, I hope you try this simple recipe. It's so tasty. It's sweet and savory. You don't have to add salt if you don't want to. You can just add a pinch of salt and add stevia or any sweetener of your desire and just enjoy it that way. Okay, I kind of lay off a bit of the sugars. Actually, 100% we're out of the white sugar, so we try to use like stevia. If it's natural, 100% even more better. Anyways, my friends, if you're new, subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and share the video. Thank you all for watching. Bye.